Okay, to get started with broccoli and cauliflower salad, I've got a head of cauliflower all chopped up. I'm gonna add it to the bowl. And then a thing of broccoli chopped up. A half of a red onion. A fourth of a cup of sunflower seeds. And a fourth of a cup of craisins. And then I got 4 strips of bacon chopped up. Okay, now I'll show you the dressing that we're gonna put on it. Okay, for the dressing part, we're gonna start with about a half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm just eyeballing it. Add some honey to sweeten it instead of sugar. Some apple cider vinegar, probably about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Some pepper. Some pink Himalayan salt. And then a little bit of avocado oil. Add a little bit more oil to it. I'm gonna taste it and see if it's sweet enough. Needs more honey. I'll pour this all over the top. And just start mixing everything together. I don't like it real heavy with the dressing. If you like it more with the dressing, you can always add extra. I just like to coat it lightly. And this is best to let it set in the fridge overnight and serve it the next day. I think I want to add some more craisins to this. I got some more craisins that I want to add. To give it pretty color. This is great for summertime, for barbecues. It's gonna be delicious. Here we go. I'm gonna taste it. That's delicious. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you. I made this for my son's cookout for his birthday. He is 24. Happy birthday, Dylan. I love you. I hope you have a good one.